Good morning. My name is Athanasia Thanopoulou, and today, along with my colleagues Anastasios Anastopoulos and Veronica Morin-Diaz, we will present a study that examines how cutting-edge technologies, specifically socially assistive robots in synergy with generative artificial intelligence, can act as catalysts for the social inclusion of adolescents on the autism spectrum. Adolescence is a critical period where social demands increase, causing anxiety and isolation for adolescents with ASD. This individual need control, stable and repetitive stimuli without the cost of real-world social failure. As we know, technologies transforms into a safe laboratory for testing social skills. Here we observe a significant shift. Technology transforms from a medium of passive consumption, such as video or gaming, into an active social partner. This digital social mediator offers the necessary safe environment for testing skills without the fear of judgment. Our research is based on three pillars. First, on social scaffolding, where AI functions as a supportive scaffold. Second, on social mediation, which reduces anxiety by offering zero pressure interactions. And third, on embodying interactions, as the digital embodying presence of avatars stimulates mirror neurons, enhancing joint attention. Through large language models, we achieve what we call digital empathy. We create dynamic interlocutors for role-playing scenarios where the students practices freely. The system validates their emotions, boosting their self-confidence. Why was character AI chosen? Because it generates natural dialogue in real time and allows for the creation of custom characters such as a peer. Furthermore, unlike expensive physical robots like the now we see on the right, our approach transfers the interactions to digital avatars via computer, offering an affordable and flexible solution for any classroom or home. We posed research questions. First, which technical characteristics of an avatar enhance eye contact according to experts? And second, how are the usability and empathy of the system evaluated in practice? Our methodology combined quantitative evaluation by 10 experts, educators in Greece, phase A, and a pilot case study with two adolescents with ASD using a proxy version for absolute safety, phase B. Our first hypothesis was confirmed as experts rank the technical characteristics as highly critical. In the table, we can see that stylized formology scored the highest with 4.8 as it avoids the uncanny valley. This is followed by accurate lip syncing at 4.7. visual simplicity at 4.6 to maintain focus and the consistency of the avatar's identity at 4.5. The workflow of the pilot intervention was based on the principles of dynamic support and includes three stages. Stage 1 is familiarization with static form to reduce sensory shock. Stage 2 is interaction through dynamic dialogue to practice turn-taking. And stage 3 is observation and evaluation by special education experts. Our second hypothesis was also fully confirmed. The system achieved a SUS score of 82.5 out of 100, which translates to a grade A, meaning excellent usability. The statistics showed extremely low perceived complexity with an average below 1.5 and very high intention for future use by educators. In the case study results, we saw theory transition into practice. The adolescents eye contact stimulates at 75% of the total time. A smooth dialogue flow and successful turn-taking were recording, while real-time dynamic support helped drastically reduce the social fatigue of the children. In inclusion, AI functions as a digital anti-chamber that prepares the adolescents for the physical world. We propose the official integration of such AI tools into the school curriculum. And our vision for the future is the transition to augmented reality AR, where the digital assistant will help the adolescent decode social cues inside the classroom in real time. Thank you for your attention.